Meaning of fy.
fy,
fy.
fy,
fy. The suffix fy means to make something into a certain state or condition. When added to a base word, it transforms the meaning of the word by indicating the process of making that base word into something else. For instance, beautify means to make something more beautiful, purify means to remove impurities, and simplify means to make something easier to understand or use. Overall, the fy suffix is used to describe the process of transforming one thing into another, often resulting in an improved or better version of the original.